In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram to Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account in your browser. Once you're in, head over to your Whop Home dashboard. This is the main page you see after logging in, where you can view your products, memberships, and activity. We're going to access your settings from here so we can link your Telegram account. Now, look at the top right corner of the dashboard and find the profile icon. This is usually a small avatar or user icon. Click on that profile icon to open a small drop-down menu with different options related to your account. In that drop-down menu, you'll see a gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage general preferences, security, and connected services. On the settings page, find the section labeled Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you link external platforms, like Telegram, so they can work together. Click on Connected Accounts to open that section. Inside the Connected Accounts area, look for Telegram in the list of available platforms. Next to Telegram, you'll see an Add button. Click on Add to start the connection process. As soon as you click it, Whop will show you a pop-up or a dialog with step-by-step instructions specific to Telegram. These on-screen instructions explain exactly what to do in Telegram, but let's walk through them together. First, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. In the Telegram search bar, type in Whop bot and locate the official Whop bot account. Make sure you select the correct bot so that your account links properly. Once you've opened the bot chat, start a conversation by clicking the Start button at the bottom, or by sending the command *start as a message. This lets the bot know you're ready to connect your Telegram to Whop. Back in the Whop dialog, you'll see a unique code generated just for your account. Copy that code, then return to the Telegram chat with the Whop bot and paste or type the code as a message. Send the code to the bot. After you've sent the code, simply wait a moment for confirmation. The Whop dialog in your browser will close automatically once the connection is successful. When that happens, your Telegram account